Another broad category of financial instruments is that of CFDs. The reason I call it a broad category is because it includes roughly all financial assets. For example, it includes foreign exchange currencies, indices, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs, just to name the most popular ones. CFDs, or contract for difference as they are also popularly known, allow you to trade both rising and declining markets up to 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, without owning the underlying financial asset and using leverage to increase your trading potential with depositing just a fraction of the total trading value of your trade. The good thing choosing to leverage both rising and falling markets is that it does not restrict you only to the bullish market. I remember back in the days when I started trading the stock market that we could only benefit from the rising market, from the bullish market. Shorting was not available, but that is not true anymore with CFDs. Another great feature of CFDs is that of leverage. Leverage increases your trading potential. Needless to say that leverage is a double-sword financial tool. As leverage magnifies your potential profits, at the same time, it may increase your losses. So I will never stop repeating myself to use leverage wisely. Additionally, there are no deliverables with CFDs. Imagine waking up one beautiful morning just to find live cattle in your yard. Can you believe that? All right. Last but not least is the trading schedule for most of the CFD products. For example, it gives you the freedom to trade anytime you wish, anytime your commitments, work, and social life allows, and also to babysit, as I call it, your trades if you wish. Stay tuned for more.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell to keep up with new videos.